Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the Siri voice feedback while doing workouts using an Apple Watch. Voice feedback is useful if you're running, for instance, and you want to know when you hit your mile marks. You can also use this to get an audible alert when you've closed an activity ring like exercise. But sometimes you may not want everyone next to you in the gym to know how slow you did hit that mile. So we'll also look at turning it off. We'll first look at doing this on the Apple Watch, and then where the setting is found on an iPhone. On your watch, press the crown on the right to get to the app menu. Next, scroll down and choose Settings, or Find and choose Settings if you're in the grid view. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap Workout at the bottom. Now here, scroll down and you'll see Voice Feedback. If you'd like Siri to announce your activity marks, tap the slider on the right to turn it on. And to turn it off so Siri doesn't alert you out loud, toggle it to turn it off. You'll still get a haptic alert either way. Now that you're done, you can press the crown again to exit the settings menu. Now to do this on an iPhone, open the Watch app. From the main My Watch screen, scroll down and choose Workout. Scroll down inside of here and find the voice feedback option, and again toggle the slider on or off how you want it set. And that's how you turn on or off the Siri voice feedback on an Apple Watch workout. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.